The Union Pacific 119, also known as Country USA, is a steam locomotive built in 1868 by the Union Pacific Railroad. The origin of this locomotive dates back to the early days of the Transcontinental Railroad project. It was one of four Great Western locomotives designed and built specifically for use on the main line of the Union Pacific Railroad. Notable innovations of the Country USA include its 480 configuration, a design that enabled efficient hauling of heavy loads over long distances. The locomotive's notable engineering features include its steam-powered drive system and its distinctive black and gold paint scheme. As for important milestones or famous routes, the Union Pacific 119 is famously known for being part of the team that reached Promontory Summit on May 10, 1869, marking a major achievement in the completion of the Transcontinental Railroad.